In an interview with the Public Curator, Mr. Papua told us that the functions of the Office of the Public Curator is like a standby generator who steps in after a person dies. By operation of law, the banks only recognizes the Office of the Public Curator to distribute entitlements to genuine beneficiaries. However, the issue gets complicated when there is no will in place to give a clear instruction on who the beneficiaries are. It's further complicated given the fact that nowadays there are double marriages resulting in more children.
Then you know who your benefits will go to, like your children and your wife and your immediate family.
If people do not come forth to claim their entitlements, by law under the Public Curators Act, it goes back to the Finance Department's consolidated revenue. He said those who are rightfully supposed to benefit to date had been missing out and urged all Papua New Guineans to have a will in place. The Office of the Public Curator will soon launch an awareness on the importance of having a will in place. Mr. Papua said it's a different case for monies held under a trust account, such as the timber rights permits and royalties, and he says the funds belong to a group and not any individual. Without alluding further as the matter on previous appointments of agents for the various timber rights permits are now before the courts, Mr. Papua clarified that agents appointed by the Public Curator's Office are mandated by law and they worked based on facts.
For me to deal directly with it, it's complicated. So I have to appoint an agent who then knows who he represented, who his father represented.
Mr. Papua was referring to recent comments by the chairman of Kinit Timber Rights Permit Area, Peter Aunag. Mr. Aunag sounded an alarm against the Office of the Public Curator after discovering that individuals were acting as his agents.
Francis Konai mina mandatim, okay, even the Ruben Kin mina mandatim, or Stephen Puri mina mandatim.
By law, the agents have a 10% claim for their services rendered. However, Mr. Aunag maintained that they will now handle their TRP area themselves and not other agents. Bridget Komatep, National MTV News.
Those are the records I used, and I also would like to, you see, this is the letter from the forest.